Okay. Miggy, can you tell me what happens if it rains today? It rain? Umbrella? What else would you use? And rain boots?
Mama.
Mama has flowers?
I'm sitting here.
Are there flowers on Mommy's rain boots? Okay, what else? Froggy?
Mama.
Yours have frogs? What are Noah's like?
Yellow. Mine is plain yellow.
Can you sign red?
Mom,
Oh, pink. Pink. Yeah, you have pink rain boots too, don't you?
And yellow.
Does Daddy have rain boots? No. What does Daddy wear when it rains?
Red.
Rain boots?
Baba.
Huh.
No. Red.
Papa has no rain boots. He needs to go shopping. Shopping for rain boots?
Baba.
Oh, for Papa.
Red.
Okay. Does Daddy have a raincoat? No. Do you have a raincoat? Where's? Boots. Where are the boots? They're put away, aren't they? They're sleeping? Okay. Can you tell me what sleeping looks like? Can you sign sleeping? Up there? No, I thought they were in the ginkan. Okay, can you say bye-bye?